Visit Tuscany.com. Cacciucco, traditional Tuscan recipes. In a pot, place the olive oil, chopped garlic and sage, and chili pepper. Add the octopus, stir and cook for 15 minutes. Add the cuttlefish, stir and cook for another 3 minutes. Add the tomato paste and a ladleful of fish stock and stir. Pour a glass of red wine into the pot and stir. Add salt, the smooth houndfish, mixed bony fish, mussels, and the mantis shrimps. Cover and cook for another 10 minutes. Serve in bowls, adding a slice of Tuscan bread. Cacciucco ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, a few sage leaves, red chili pepper, 50 grams of tomato paste, 1 ladle of fish stock or hot water, half a glass of red wine, 500 grams of baby octopus cleaned and sliced into thin strips, 500 grams of cuttlefish cleaned and sliced into thin strips, 400 grams of small smooth houndfish, 400 grams of mixed fish with bones, gurnard, rockfish, lesser weaver, 4 mantis shrimps, 100 grams of mussels, salt, 4 slices of bread. Method: cover the bottom of a pot with olive oil, add the chopped garlic, then finely chopped sage and chili pepper. Add the baby octopus and cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. Add the cuttlefish and cook for a few minutes more. Dissolve the tomato paste in a small amount of warm water or fish stock and add it to the pot. Pour in the red wine. Cook for about 20 minutes on medium-low heat. Now add the bony fish and smooth hounds and finish with mussels and the mantis shrimps. Cook the soup, covered, for another 10 minutes. Serve in individual bowls with a slice of grilled bread at the bottom. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale, Ente Nazionale, Sordi, Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.